It's about damn time. Welcome everybody, it's your boy MG back at you with another video. So today I got my Yeezys in. Now I've been waiting about 2 months for these guys because of Yeezy's delayed shipping, as they claim. Bunch of BS in my opinion. Like, it shouldn't take 2 months to ship out sock slippers kind of thing. But they're here. Yeezy kept us out of the bargain. Again, they're only 20 bucks, 56 bucks Canadian with all the import stuff. So I mean, I can't really complain. But today I'm happy to bring you an unboxing of the Yeezy socks, Yeezy pods. They go by lots of names, but we'll go from there. So I will find that out right now. Okay, so now I've seen a couple reviews on these already, so automatically they come in this paper bag. The old ones came with a dust bag, but I think these are manufactured in China because they just went through a revision not too long ago. So I'm assuming I got those pairs, but pretty simple unboxing. So yeah, I'm finally holding the Yeezy pods in my hand after 2 months. I was pretty hyped for these, but then I'm like, nah, I'll just keep waiting. But I'm glad they're here finally. So automatically, they're getting this factory smell. So they are indeed brand new. Like, I feel like they just shipped it from the factory and it came right to my door. But I had to wait 2 months for these guys. So what are my thoughts on them? Well, there's the obvious reason. They're cheap as... You know what I mean? So, yeah, I like the fact they're cheap, 20 bucks, you know, and hours of work, depending where you live, right? It's not that bad. So, I like the fact that, and you know, they're different, obviously, and these do feel a bit higher quality than the other pairs I've seen online. I've never actually held a pair, so, but I'm guessing the ones made in China do indeed feel a bit better. I'm not gonna lie. And if you guys can see at the bottom here, there's Braille here. So I got a size 3 because I'm a size 11. So kind of, it tells you the sizing on the bottom. But from what I can see, they are really thick and really different. So you know your boy's going to be rocking these this summer. And I'm definitely bringing these to Europe because, you know, I'll stand out a bit. And I can like kind of trick people into thinking I'm wearing socks outside. Meanwhile, I'm just wearing pods. But I mean, yeah, the quality's good for 20 bucks. I mean, they were originally 200, which I wasn't going to buy them for. So I just waited and waited, and to my luck, I bought them for 20 bucks or 50 bucks Canadian. So not bad. I'm pretty happy. I just wish it was more better packaging, but yo, for 20 bucks, man, what are you going to do? So at the time of this video, I will be wearing these all throughout the day, and I will be bringing these to the gym tomorrow. And then after I come back from the gym, I will be doing a review on them, how they feel, and the sizing. So this is kind of a generic unboxing, my thoughts, my opinions, first-hand glance at what they are. So I'm gonna go wear these for a bit, get the on feet video ready, and go to the gym and try these bad boys out. I'll be back soon, guys, so stay stay entertained while you be back. All right, coming later. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. As of today's date, I've been wearing these for 2 consistent days, in and out. I've been doing errands, I've been going to the gym with them, and I got a couple thoughts. So first things first, I want to get out of the way. When you wear these, wear socks. Do not go barefoot in these. They are so uncomfortable, and you will regret not putting socks on. So just wear these with socks. Trust me on this one, save yourself the hassle. Second thing, as everyone knows about these, they slide off my feet here and there. Again, I found ways to maneuver it, which I will display in this video shortly, but I don't like the fact about that. So basically my only 2 cons would be those. Now the pros of these are easy to slip on. Literally just put them on and go. Easiest thing to slip on. Second pro is you can wash these. So I can throw them in my washing machine and wash them and not give a damn about them. And they'll be clean and smell good after. So that's another good pro about it. The third thing is, you know, they're surprisingly comfortable on feet, in spite of, you know, them slipping off my feet and stuff. But like I said, wear socks with these because they're gonna cause blisters on your feet. It's gonna be so uncomfortable. And I realized that when I was driving, I tried them out once. I'm like, no, I can't do this. Like, I cannot do this. So that's all I can really say about these. And obviously another pro, they're 20 bucks. Well, they're about $56, taxes in and everything from Canada. So we pay a little bit more. But anyways, I'm not gonna say these are a waste of money. I just wish the sizing was better. But for the quality and style you're getting, you look different, and people are gonna ask you, "Yo, you wearing something different? What is that? Socks?" I'm like, "No, they're Yeezy Pods." So they are an eye-grabbing item. So you will be getting a lot of attention. So I've been going to the gym, and this guy was looking at me, looking up and down, and he thought I was running in socks, but meanwhile I was running in these, right? So I can say that they are really a head turner, despite them being black, because they are so different. Because who would have thought, you know, Kanye would make these after being with Adidas and stuff for so long? But I have made a little mini video going more into depth of these. So let's roll into that, and then we'll come back to this. All right. So see you guys soon. So here is the fit part of the video. So as you guys can see, my big toe comes up to about here. So basically I have about this much space. So you can imagine when I'm walking and just going on about my business, my foot's gonna keep sliding. So there's a trick that I do that would, you know, I curl up my toes and I just flatten my foot. So you see, if you can see closely, it's like, you know, it's like a worm, you know, you're going up and down. So you see what I'm doing with my foot. So basically when I'm walking, instead of me putting my hands and pulling my sock up, I would just curl my toes and flatten out my foot as I walk, because that will put the shoe or sock, whatever, back onto its position, right? Because at the back here, I got a lot of space too, right? My only regret is I should have went down half a size, but you know, I didn't know, and they said size 11, so obviously I'm gonna go with that just to play it safe, right? I mean, they're only about 20 bucks, right? So I'm not complaining at all. It's just like they're really comfortable on feet. Like I could see myself wearing them, but this sizing needs to be fixed like ASAP. And like, yeah, I know what Cardi's trying to do, but man, come on, man, you can fix this stuff. Like, look, basically, like, look at that. You know what I mean? I'm shooting this off my phone because I need to be able to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, my recommendation, just go down a size if you're in the on the fence of sizing. So basically, if you're size 10 and a half, do not get that size 2 because it goes into 1, 2, and 3. Get size 1 because you'll probably fit better in it. You want that tight feeling. But the quality is really good on this, and I have no qualms about it. But honestly, this sizing crap could have been done better. But then again, only 20 bucks. And this has been a complaint too. You can see kind of where the stitching is on here. So these could rip potentially. So just be really careful when you are walking with these. But other than that, they're pretty easy to style since they're black. You just can wear shorts with them. You can wear track pants. They're pretty comfortable. I'm not going to lie. Like, I drove with these. I worked out with these. And I got to say, they're pretty comfortable. So, all right, guys, let's get back into the video. So, yeah, as I said in my video, you know, they are comfortable. There are a couple tricks to keep them on your feet, as I've shown you in my previous video. So just keep in mind what I'm saying and go down a size in these if you want a snug fit that they're not going to slip off. I've been kind of getting used to doing that trick I showed you in my video, so they are comfortable. I wore these out yesterday running errands to the gym. Like, they're comfortable. They are wearable. Avoid puddles with them. Do not wear these at all in fall or winter. Winter and rainy weathers. These are only meant for summer and dry conditions. So it's sunny outside where I am in Canada. It's about 20 degrees right now. So just wear that. If you go out in the rain and you get wet, then you get mad at me. Just remember, I told you, do not wear these in the rain. You just strictly wear these in warm climates. You'll save yourself the hassle and you won't get sick or whatever disease is walking on the earth. But yeah, always wear socks with these regardless, and always walk in dry conditions with them. And that's all I got to say about that. Really good pair of shoes. They're different. I like them. If I'm going to give them a rating out of 10, I'd say I give them a solid 8 because they're comfortable and they are wearable and they're just easy to slip on. The cons would be just the sizing's off, and you know, you got to be careful where you wear them and just keeping that grip to the floor. But other than that, I can wear these, man. They're really nice. They remind me of ninjas. You know, ninjas? Like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, right? They have these type of shoes, right? And my buddy was saying, you look like a ninja. I'm like, well, I kind of always wanted to be a ninja, so I guess this works. But yeah, man, don't be scared. They're on the Yeezy website right now for $28 Canadian, 20 bucks US. So don't be scared to grab yourself a pair and be different. Only 20 bucks. So what's the worst that can happen? Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. As I said in my previous videos, I do have a Discord. The link will be in the description down below. I hope to see you guys there so we can talk more sneakers, news, culture, whatever you guys want, and go from there. Anyways, guys, MGBL is out. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.